Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Dear students, are you the one who loves the subject chemistry? Want to score perfect 180 of 180 NEET UG? Then you are into the right video. In this video, from inorganic to organic, physics to analytical, I will share the most powerful tips, strategies and resources to help you master chemistry and achieve your dream score. So watch the video till the end to get all the insights in this video. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Yes, one can easily score a 180 of 180 marks in chemistry with a perfect plan and strategy. So the first question in the mind is to how to manage. How to manage physical chemistry, how to manage inorganic chemistry, how to manage organic chemistry, how can we cover all these topics. As you can see, I planned in the basis of months. In the first Jan month, you have to complete all your 11th syllabus, and Feb, you have to complete your all 12th syllabus, and in March, you have to just revise the concepts with the revision sheets, formula sheets, and mock test, chapter wise test, and you have to practice a lot revision based on this 11th and 12th syllabus. You have to do all your regular grand tests with the analysis and find out the topics where you are weak at and try to improve those topics as soon as possible. And this is the best possible 4-month plan if you start from now. And the main thing to keep in mind is give more time for organic chemistry and only read thoroughly NCERT. So this will be the possible best plan if you start preparing from now. I will differentiate the physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry, and I will share the most important chapters you have to focus on each topics and the tips and strategies that you can master your chemistry. So the first one is physical chemistry. So the first thing in physical chemistry is you have to clear with all the concepts, and the next thing is to master the NCERT exemplars, and next step to make a formula sheets and start the practicing questions daily and be clear with your calculations, and the next step is to revise all these concepts regularly and try to do last 15 years previous years questions so that you can't miss any of the concepts. And the next step is to take a chapter wise test and know your performance of every chapter and notice the chapters where you are weak at and try to improve those chapters as soon as possible. So these are the things you have to keep in mind while you are mastering your physical chemistry. The most important chapters to focus on in physical chemistry is, first one is some basic concepts of chemistry, and second one is the chemical kinetics, and third one is the thermodynamics, and fourth one is solutions, and fifth one is atomic structure, and sixth one is equilibrium. So these are the main chapters you have to must focus on physical chemistry to get good score. So the next topic is inorganic chemistry. So the first thing in inorganic chemistry is be clear with all the concepts, and the next step is to make your own notes which you can use to revise it later, and the next step is to be perfect with the NCERT lines, and you have to read again and again from NCERT textbooks so that you can't miss a single line of any concept. And the next step is to focus mainly on exceptions and order. If possible, make all those exceptions and orders in a single chart and try to memorize those frequently. And the next step is to practice 100 to 150 questions per chapter with including last previous year's questions. And the next step is to make a mind maps or formula sheets in which they can help you in the revision time and you can quickly recall all your concepts within a short period of duration. And the next step is to give a chapter wise test and analyze your performance according to the chapter and find out the chapters where you are weak at and try to improve in those chapters as soon as possible. So the next thing is, what are the most important chapters to focus on in inorganic chemistry? So the first one is periodic classification of elements, and second one is chemical bonding, and third one is coordination compounds, and fourth one is D and F block elements. So these are the most important chapters you have to focus on. So the next topic is organic chemistry. So the first thing in organic chemistry, go through any detailed explanation lecture and be clear with the concept. And the next step is to read NCERT line by line and try to master this organic chemistry based on NCERT only. And the next step is to practice all the questions like named reactions and understand the mechanism behind it. And the next step is to make your own notes which helps you a lot in the revision period. And the next step is to practice basic questions and NCERT examples with last previous year questions. And next step, give a chapter wise test and identify the chapters where you are weak at and try to improve them as soon as possible. And the next step, revise reactions regularly and if possible try to write down all the reactions in a single chart. And the last step is analyze and learn from the mistakes. So the immediate question comes in mind is, where can I find chapter wise test series or main test series? As you can see, we the DR students are providing our main test series of 15 plus mock tests and 15 plus grand tests with 24/7 support and with the WhatsApp group and clearing all your doubts, which is the price of just 1299. And we are also providing the chapter wise test series. As you can see, this is our chapter wise test series poster where we are mainly focusing on NCERT line to line questions, previous year questions included, statement based questions, and based on latest NTA syllabus, NEET level based. And we are providing this for just 149 rupees with all the 11th and 12th syllabus included. So if you are interested, the links are given in the description. You can purchase it from there. And the main thing every student struggles with is how to manage time for chemistry during the exams. So you have to spend at least a 40 to 45 minutes on chemistry during mock test, and in these 40 to 45 minutes you have to give at least of 10 to 15 minutes for inorganic chemistry cause you can get all the direct questions from that topic, and 15 to 20 minutes for the numerical questions which is physical chemistry, and 10 to 15 minutes for reactions mechanism which is from organic chemistry. So by following the above time, you can complete all your chemistry questions within a period of 40 to 45 minutes, in which you can get more extra time to focus on chemistry or else on other subjects during the exams. Now I will share you the chapters in chemistry. By mastering those chapters, you can easily score 120 plus marks in exams. So the first one is organic chemistry, in which the weightage given in 2024 NEET UG is 4 questions, and the second one is chemical bonding and molecular structure. The weightage given in NEET UG 2024 is 3 questions. The next one is chemical kinetics, and the weightage given is 3 questions from last year. And next one is coordination and compounds. 3 questions are given from last year. And the next one is equilibrium. 3 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is the D and F block elements. 3 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is some basic concepts of chemistry. 3 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is thermodynamics. 3 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is the P block elements. 3 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. 2 questions are given in the last year. And the next one is alcohols, phenols and ethers. 2 questions are given in the last year. So by mastering all the above chapters, you will cover at least of 25 to 30 questions out of 45. And as you can see, we have our preparation Telegram channel for the students, in which we are providing free PDFs regarding the important topics and frequently asked questions, and many more PDFs related to the subjects of NEET UG. So there are already 250 plus students in our Telegram channel. If you are interested, the links are given in the description. You can join from there. And this is all about this video. And from now, we are starting a series of sure short concepts from each chapter for all the subjects in NEET UG. So stay updated and check our channel regularly and subscribe to our channel so that you can't miss any of those concepts. If you feel our work is worth, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and share to the needed students. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.